What a fish and chip shop. Must be pretty popular. The bear, like, ooh. Got my lunch. Alright, so we got lunch from the Fisherman's Co-op, and now we're about to go back to the crib and eat. So we're back for now in the apartment, and I want to show you guys the awesome fish and chips that we just got. San Remo Fisherman's Co-op looked after us today. And there's their business card for anyone interested. So got lots of good deals, and everything is locally sourced, including this 2 beautiful pieces of flake that I'm going to devour any minute. This is the burger. So just a standard burger, the patty, onions, lettuce, tomato and cheese. And that was $9.95. And the pack was $28. $26. It's so good. Oh yeah. Let's try one of these. Oh, sort of light crispy butter. The calamari ring isn't like stringy, how you get at a lot of places that make it cheap. It just snaps straight off. Oh yeah. Bit of lemon juice is always nice. And seafood. And on the chippies, my half the chips. Oh yeah. Now, let's try some of this tartare. Oh.
Restaurant quality.
The tartare is good. I'll try a bit of this flake. Oh, wow. Look at that. How beautiful. Nice and crispy and light. The white meat just folds straight apart. Wow. Tears straight off. Oh, definitely fresh.
It's the dill. Is it plain?
Yeah. Oh. Cool. Today. I like it a lot. More. You don't really want any seeds or pips, so take those out. Nice and meaty. Look at that. If you look at the green, look at that. Actually delicious. The batter doesn't even fill me up. The relish is having chop up some extra. Not too oily. Gorgeous. So that is your basic dressing.
Not worth every.
Even the potato cake.
In and around.
Look at that. I'm straight off. Wow. Alright guys, I finished that off. I've still got a lot of chips left, but I'm just gonna have to pass on them just because I'm really full from what I got. If you guys want the name of the place, it is right there. They have a lot of tourists, but generally you'll get seen probably within a couple of minutes of waiting in line, and I definitely recommend it. You can also buy local seafood there as well that you can just take home and make yourself if you want, and they might distribute as well. So everything is caught there. It's all very fresh, very local, and I definitely recommend it. And today the score I'm going to give it out of 10 is an 8.5. That's right guys, definitely recommend going down there and getting the fish and chips. Alright, till next time.